How do I find problems to solve in Nigeria so that I can make money for myself? That's a great goal. There are several ways you can find problems to solve in Nigeria and potentially make money. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Research existing challenges. Start by researching the current issues that people in Nigeria face. This could involve topics like healthcare, education, infrastructure, agriculture, or technology. Look for gaps or inefficiencies in these areas that you could potentially address. 2. Engage with local communities. Interacting with people in different communities can provide valuable insights into their needs and challenges. Attend local events. Join relevant social media groups, or even conduct surveys to gather information directly from the community members. 3. Collaborate with local organizations. Partnering with local NGOs, non-profits, or community groups can help you identify specific problems that need solutions. They often have a deep understanding of the challenges faced by the communities they serve. 4. Leverage technology. Nigeria has a rapidly growing tech ecosystem, which presents opportunities for leveraging technology to solve problems. Explore areas like fintech, e-commerce, agritech, or edtech, and consider how you can use technology to provide innovative solutions. 5. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and trends in Nigeria to stay informed about emerging problems and opportunities. This could involve reading local newspapers, following relevant blogs, or participating in industry conferences and events. Remember, solving problems and making money often go hand in hand. By identifying and addressing challenges in Nigeria, you can create solutions that not only benefit society, but also have the potential to be financially